Hey, my name is Steve Rachel,
Lancia Rachel.
and we're going to talk about attraction marketing. Our life was a whole lot different before we started using attraction marketing in our business. Man, we used to just not do anything impactful. We never really got any major leads. We never really got any major money until we figured out that, in business online today, it's all about attracting people to you. We used to bug family and friends,
Yeah.
calling people up, emailing people, just
Flyers on the
flyers.
cars.
Hey, we used to put flyers. We would go to a parking lot and we would put 500 flyers or these little postcards. We were doing like guerrilla style marketing. Needless to say, did any of that really work?
Nah.
It never worked, and we were always going after people.
Yeah.
And so once we became members of MLSP, it really opened our eyes to how you really want to market, because after MLSP, after attraction marketing, people started coming to us versus us always having to chase people down and convince people and all that stuff. So definitely things have definitely changed. I mean, what do you think the biggest difference has been?
Really more automation, because before we would always have to, everybody knows cold calling, just trying to always hunting down people, trying to see if they were interested in our business. And with attraction marketing, it's just totally changed. So now we have become the hunted. So we don't have to do all that running down, chasing people. We don't have to do any of that stuff anymore. People just flock to us because we've made a brand for ourselves. People know us, they know our names, and they just want to connect with us. So that's probably one of the biggest differences in our business before and after.
Automation, guys. Yeah. So attraction marketing for us has definitely been a big impact for our business, for our life, for our family, just for our brand. And of course, we owe all that to My Lead System Pro. They really taught us the foundation of really attracting people to your business, because there's an unlimited amount of people that can be attracted to you. So it can definitely impact your results, your profits, your just your business in general long term. And so attraction marketing works. So I encourage you, get connected with this community, because they'll teach you exactly how to do it, and really you'll become very attractive in business. So with that, that's it. Thanks.